All right, all these guys want to see it go, so here we go.
All right, we got fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
Fire in the hole. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ah, I used all energy.
You paid for the whole seat, but you only need the edge.
Want me to do it again? Alright. That flight shouldn't have went like this.
Next time we want to see you stick the landing.
No, catch it. Didn't go up that high. Flight number 2. All right, here we go again.
All right, fire in the hole again. This one he said to go in at least 399 feet.
I hope.
Minus probably about 250. All right, stick the landing.
All right. I'm gonna try.
My controls, ready? Keep it up, keep it up. Pull down. Oh, so close.
Oh well. It usually goes a little higher than that, but oh well.
All right, got the quad going back up. If anybody wants to see first-person view, come right on up to the little blue tent and put on the goggles. And
I wish I had some good fuel in here. The fuel in here is not as good as like I said, I reloaded some old fuel.
You know that thing.
Torch is still. Oh, I know.
Oh, okay.
It's hard to carry. It's hard to carry everything in. It doesn't go off by itself. Well, the second flight wasn't too bad.
Yeah, that was interesting.
Rob, it didn't cost hardly nothing, you know.